Happy Monday. Today is Monday, November the 21st, 2022. Today's daily Bible readings come to us from, for the semi-continuous thread, Psalm 117, Jeremiah 31 through 17, and then Revelation 21, 5 through 27. Or you could have read the complementary texts, which were for Christ the King Sunday, which was yesterday. Happy New Year, by the way. And those are Psalm 24, Jeremiah 46, 18 through 28, and then Revelation 21, 5 through 27. Again, I'm going to take a look at Psalm 24 and we'll visit again with our friend Malcolm and read his sonnet in response to Psalm 24, which is called Domini Est Terra, which is, once again, the name's taken from the first line of the psalm in Latin. So, Psalm 24. The earth is the Lord's, and all that is in it, the world and those who live in it, for he has founded it on the seas and established it on the rivers. Who shall ascend the hill of the Lord, and who shall stand in his holy place? Those who have clean hands and pure hearts, who do not lift up their souls to what is false, and do not swear deceitfully. They will receive blessing from the Lord and vindication from the God of their salvation. Such is the company of those who seek him, who seek the face of the God of Jacob. Lift up your heads, O gates, and be lifted up, O ancient doors, that the King of glory may come in. Who is the King of glory? The Lord strong and mighty, the Lord mighty in battle. Lift up your heads, O gates, and be lifted up, O ancient doors, that the King of glory may come in. Who is this King of glory? The Lord of hosts. He is the King of glory. Psalm 24, Domini Est Terra. And draw me into his eternity? But who can rise up to that holy place? Can all its splendors really be for me? Before that holy fire I hide my face. My hands were never clean. As for my heart, he'll search out its impurity and trace the sources of its sin in every part, and in the whole its weariness and stain. Who can ascend? I cannot even start. But even as I fear, my hopes are vain. My Savior comes. His love revives my hope. I feel him search my wounds, deal with my pain, and offer me again the healing cup. Raising my head, he says, now rise with me. The gates will open for us both. Look up. That's the DBR for today. Get out, enjoy the rest of the day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Boop.